So I've been trying to figure out a way to make decent looking rain in Unity. I am working on a virtual reality room of sorts. And one thing that I really wanted to have in here is a rain effect that looks real, or at least real enough for me. And I wasn't getting the look I wanted using shader graph. So the next best thing was to see if I can use the video and apply that to a material. And to my surprise, it's actually quite simple to do in Unity. So with that said, in Unity, if you want to just do this test for yourself, all you have to do is uh, first create the object that you want to apply this effect to. In my case, in this example, I'm just going to use a simple quad, the default Unity quad. I'm going to rotate this so the plane is facing me. I'm going to create a material. But the main thing is making sure that the surface type is set to transparent. And in my case, I'm just going to use URP, Universal Render Pipeline, unlit material. From here, when I apply it, you'll notice that it's just a white material. Now I want to grab the video that I'm going to be using. In my case, this video is a simple rain particle effect that I created in After Effects with a black background. And you can use any video, but the main thing is the black background. So this is what my video looks like. I'm going to close this out. And then now I'm going to drop, first I'm going to select the plane, and then I'm going to drop the video, drag and drop it onto the model in the scene. And you'll notice that a video player component was added to uh, this 3D object. And from here, you can see the video. But now I also want to make the surface transparent by going into the alpha of the color channel and just reducing it until I get the effect that I want. It's not perfect, but to me, this looks better than the shader graph results that I was achieving. And one cool thing about this setup is you can slow down or speed up the video. So if you select the material or the video player, and there you see the playback speed. If I set it up to 10, it looks like it's raining really hard. But I can also bring it back down. If you bring it down to 0, obviously it's static. If I bring it down to 1, that's the default video speed. And I think the value that I liked was 4. Yeah, this is how I got a very basic rain effect so far.